Okay, it's Monday, July 11th. Just wanted to show you a secondary afternoon trade I made on Meta or Facebook. I bought some, the 162.50 puts at 308 and I sold them at 360. You can see here we had the big drop down and then it just grinded up all day when I saw this big red bar form. Bought the puts here at the upper blue line, and then within 15 or 30 minutes later, I sold it here at the the lower blue line near the lower end of today's range. Even though it might go lower, I sold it at 360. So you can see here I bought the puts at 308 and then I sold them at up at 360. So like a 50-cent gain, which is a nice percentage gain, and again, high probability that we were going to come down to the low end of the range after seeing the opening price action in that bar. Daily charts are 2 down, so that's good, and we have targets down. It's a big kind of beginning of the week bar here, green bar, that I don't know if you're going to hit those lows today. And overall, you're kind of inside on the week. So until we really get a 2 down week, it's hard to say if Facebook or Meta is going to really break out of this zone to the bottom. But that's kind of where it's at least heading now with the 2 down day. And again, it was more, if you just look at this as the hourly chart, just a big drop and then just a grind up, kind of like big bear flag. And then on the 15-minute chart, when you saw that reversal after these 3 bars, it was just a good time to jump in here, and it made a pretty immediate move, and it's still heading lower. And again, I still think we can take out these intraday lows, quite frankly, and that should project to the lows of the week last week. So we'll see what happens. As long as we hold below the midpoint of this green bar last week, I think we could be testing those lows. But it is an inside bar, so I don't want to get too greedy. We could just have choppy action. And overall, though, a good short. I just want to show you just a good short trade here. A short-term trade here, buying some puts at the upper blue line, exiting at the lower blue line for a nice percentage gain.